Maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for a healthy smile. That's why we're excited to introduce to you the EMS Airflow One System. The EMS Airflow One System is a state-of-the-art dental cleaning tool that helps to remove plaque and tartar from your teeth and gums. The system combines water, air, and fine powder to gently remove plaque and tartar from your teeth without damaging your gums, roots, or enamel. Not only is the EMS Airflow One system more effective at removing plaque and tartar compared to traditional cleaning methods, it is also more gentle and comfortable. The system is easy to use, and the fine powder used in the cleaning process helps to polish your teeth and leave them feeling smooth and clean. Using the EMS Airflow One system regularly can help to prevent cavities and gum disease, and it can also help to improve your overall oral health. Experience the benefits of the EMS Airflow One system for yourself. Book your next dental appointment today.